Hey, fellow adventurers, welcome back to Travel Alley, your go to channel for all things travel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can either make or break your vacation traveling with kids. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some of the best tips and tricks to ensure your family trip is as smooth and stress free as possible. From picking the perfect destination to keeping the little ones entertained, this video will walk you through everything step by step so you can focus on creating amazing memories. Let's get into it. Mastering family travel. 10 tips for an unforgettable vacation. 1. Choose the right destination. When you're traveling with kids, picking the right spot is key. Not every vacation spot is kid-friendly, so take the time to research places that cater to families. Think about destinations with attractions that cater to different age groups. For example, resorts with family pools, splash pads, playgrounds, or even kids clubs that give you a little downtime while the kids have a blast. In my personal experience, family-friendly accommodations with larger rooms or suites are a lifesaver. There's nothing worse than feeling cramped in a small hotel room with energetic kids. And hey, if you want to really impress the kids, pick a destination that offers some local flavor and adventure. Whether it's a beach trip, a theme park, or even a trip to a nature reserve, there are tons of places out there that cater to both kids and adults alike. 2. Plan age-appropriate activities. Kids love fun, but not every kid loves the same kind of fun. It's important to plan out activities that will match their age, interests, and energy levels. For younger kids, you might want to stick to things like playgrounds, gentle nature walks, or interactive museums. Older kids might enjoy more adventurous activities like snorkeling, ziplining, or even cultural tours. And don't forget about the downtime. Kids need breaks too, so plan some chill time for everyone to recharge. One tip I've learned over the years: make reservations early. For attractions that require booking in advance, like theme parks or guided tours, reserve spots ahead of time. It saves a lot of headaches and ensures you won't miss out on the fun. 3. Pack smart, not heavy. When it comes to packing, you want to hit that sweet spot between having everything you need and not feeling like you're lugging around your entire house. My advice? Make a checklist. Include everything from extra clothes to snacks, diapers, wipes, and don't forget those all-important entertainment items like toys, books, and tablets loaded with age-appropriate apps or movies. Trust me, on long flights or car rides, having a stash of snacks and fun distractions will be your saving grace. Pro tip: pack snacks your kids love but don't normally get every day. This makes them feel like a special treat and can keep them entertained for longer than you'd think. 4. Select kid-friendly transportation. Whether you're flying, taking a road trip, or hopping on a train, your mode of transportation can make or break the start of your vacation. If you're flying, I recommend booking seats early so the whole family can sit together. Some airlines even have kid-friendly perks, so check those out before booking. If you're driving, especially for long distances, make frequent stops to let the kids stretch and play. Portable car games, sing-alongs, and snacks will go a long way in keeping everyone happy. And don't forget those car seats. Safety first, always. 5. Find family-friendly accommodations. Once you've picked the perfect destination and sorted out transportation, next up is choosing the right place to stay. Not all hotels are created equal when it comes to traveling with kids. Look for places that offer family-sized rooms or suites. Those extra square feet can be a game changer. Bonus points if the accommodation has a playground, pool, or kids club on site. I personally love resorts that offer family packages with amenities like cribs, high chairs, or even baby gates. These small touches can make a huge difference when you're trying to settle in after a long day of travel. 6. Stick to routines, but be flexible. One of the best ways to help kids adjust to a new environment is to stick to their regular routines, especially when it comes to bedtime. Bring along their favorite blanket or stuffed animal and try to maintain their usual sleep schedule. But here's the kicker: stay flexible. Traveling with kids is unpredictable, and plans don't always go as expected. Build some flexibility into your itinerary to account for things like naps, snack breaks, or just plain chill-out time. Trust me, overpacking your schedule will only lead to cranky kids and stressed-out parents. 7. Keep them entertained. Long car rides or flights can be tough for kids, but a little creativity can can turn them into part of the adventure. Pack entertainment options tailored to their interests. For younger kids, I love bringing coloring books, stickers, or small toys. For older kids, tablets with pre-downloaded games, movies, or educational apps work wonders. And don't forget classic travel games like I Spy or 20 Questions to engage the whole family. A tip I found super useful: create a little travel goodie bag for your kids with new toys or activities they haven't seen before. Unwrapping something new keeps them entertained for hours. 8. Stay organized like a pro. The last thing you want is to be digging through your luggage for passports or tickets with kids in tow. Stay organized by using labeled bags or packing cubes for everyone's belongings. I also recommend having a specific pouch or folder for travel documents like passports, boarding passes, and confirmations. That way, everything is in one place and easy to grab when you need it. When you're traveling with kids, staying organized is more than just about convenience. It's a sanity saver. The less time you spend searching for stuff, the more time you'll have to enjoy your trip. 9. Embrace the unexpected. No matter how much you plan, things can and will go off track. Flights get delayed, kids throw tantrums, plans change, and that's okay. The best thing you can do is roll with the punches and keep a positive attitude. If things don't go as planned, adjust your itinerary, take a deep breath, and move on. 10. Involve the kids in planning. One of the best ways to make your family vacation enjoyable is to involve your kids in the planning process. Let them have a say in choosing the destination or picking out activities they want to do. This not only makes them feel included and excited about the trip, but also gives you insights into what interests them most. Create a family travel vision board or a fun list of must-see attractions together. You can even have them help with packing by letting them choose a few favorite toys or books to bring along. Engaging them in the planning helps build anticipation and ensures that everyone is looking forward to the trip. Sometimes the unplanned moments turn into the best memories. Maybe a sudden rainstorm will lead to a spontaneous indoor activity that your kids will talk about for years. Or maybe getting lost in a new city will lead you to stumble upon a hidden gem. Whatever happens, embrace it and enjoy the journey. And that's a wrap on today's video. With these 10 tips, you're ready to tackle any family vacation like a pro. Remember, traveling with kids doesn't have to be stressful. It can be an incredible opportunity to bond and create lasting memories together. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Travel Alley for more travel inspiration, guides, and family-friendly tips. And hey, if you want even more detailed breakdowns, resources, or personalized help for your next family trip, head over to our website at travelalley.org. We've got tons of articles, checklists, and guides designed just for families like yours. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below with your own family travel experiences. What's the best tip you've learned? Let's share the knowledge and make traveling with kids fun for everyone. Until next time, happy travels.